Alright, today I'll be giving you a life-saving tip on how you can close a program or a game when it is not responding properly. So, for example, for this game over here, FIFA 98, when I try to launch it, it goes into black screen where I just can't really close it in any way. Like if I press Alt F4, if I go to the task manager, it doesn't do anything. So the fix here is to, well, first of all, go to task manager. I pressed Control Alt and Delete to open it. Now over here, so you can click on this cogwheel that says settings and then scroll down and click on always on top. This is the option that will pretty much save you a bunch of time, and you won't have to restart your computer to close the program anymore. So I can show you an example right here. So this is on select mode, so this is selected always on top. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this corrupt FIFA, try to launch it, and we can see the logo, we can see everything, and then later, just wait for it, it will show a black screen, so you cannot do anything. I'm pressing like literally window mode, Alt F4, nothing. Even the task manager won't come up when I didn't have this always on top feature enabled. So now since I've enabled it, what I can do is that I can press Control Alt Delete and go to task manager, and voila, the task manager appears in front of you. Now you can go ahead and close this program. I just hit the delete button and it closed it. So yeah, that's how I did it. Oh my god, why did it go so big? Let me minimize it. I don't know. So there's actually another way as well, but I feel like this is the most easiest way to quit a non-responding program, which is the way that you do is that you open a new desktop over here. You just create a second desktop, but I feel like the task manager, if you click on always on top option, that should pretty much solve the issue. You don't have to create another desktop anymore. So yeah, I guess that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. If you did, you can go ahead and share it with your friends who are facing the same issue. And yeah, that's pretty much it.